Oh, someone's at the door.
Well, hey there, YouTube family. Welcome to our new house. Ah! So we're in our brand new KB home that we built. So yeah, I'm gonna give you guys a empty house tour. So starting off, here is our entryway into the house with the door. And then if you come over here, you have our garage. It is, how do you turn that on? 2-car garage. There we go. A big, nice 2-car garage. So we think we're gonna do like an exercise area over here and then park our car here. So yeah, we'll probably do a home gym right over there. And then coming back inside, I don't know where any of the switches are yet. Right across from the garage, there's just like a little coat closet right here. It's just super small, nothing fancy. Little coat closet, very nice. And then you walk inside, and then to the right, you come down here, and we've got the smart thermostat. Comes standard in the KB homes here. And then you walk into our powder bath, our half bathroom, toilet in the sink. This mirror comes standard, and then you get the choice of a circular or a square sink. I'm gonna try to like let you know what was standard and what we upgraded so you guys know what you're getting into. Here we're in the den. It's got double doors, which are super pretty. That was an upgrade. So with this room, you could choose to either have it be a bedroom with its own bathroom, which would have taken away that bathroom, or you could keep it as a den, and then you have the option to have no doors or to put doors. So we did the double doors. This room we're actually going to use as an office, we might put the pets' beds in here. And then this closet, there's a really big like Harry Potter closet that goes all the way down here, like under the stairs. Huge under the stair closet. And this we are actually going to use for the cats. So we are going to like build some jungle gym stuff in here for the cats and everything. So that's gonna be super cute. Okay, and then when you come out back into our entryway, the stairs are up there. I'll take you up there in a minute. But welcome to our living room. So, and I'm just gonna preface this. So we didn't get absolutely everything included in the build to save like money on our loan because we didn't want the loan to be too high. And they charge a lot. So we actually have standard flooring in most of the house. So it comes with this carpet. We had 3 choices of carpet, but we chose this and this tile. Those are both standard, but we do plan on upgrading the flooring to wood within the next couple months. So yeah, our big living room area. So we'll put like our couch and stuff over here, and the TV, and then our dining room table. We're gonna get over there. I will post a video once we get decor here, but that'll probably be a while because we have to buy a lot of new furniture. So here we have our beautiful kitchen. This is where we like splurged a lot on our budget. So standard, I believe, would have been like this brown cabinets or something, but we upgraded to the gray cabinets. We added these really pretty silver pools on the cabinets. Standard for your kitchen would have been to have a normal oven here with a microwave right here. But instead we upgraded to have just the stove top and then the double oven. Well, it's actually an oven microwave combo, and then put this nice hood on top. So we have a really nice gourmet kitchen. And actually one cool thing that comes standard is it comes standard with the pull-out drawer, at least for here in our KB home community did. So that's really nice. We also did the upgrade right here to put the hidden trash cans. So that's really nice. We didn't do like they automatically have like these like kind of like assisted pool. It's not like the really fancy assisted pool, but it pretty much acts like one. Sometimes it doesn't. It doesn't really have it, but it basically acts like one for a lot of the cabinets that aren't too stiff. And then it's got this nice pantry in here. Yeah, it looks really nice. I can't wait to get in here and really get cute and Pinteresty organizing our pantry. So super cute. It's a good sized pantry. It has its own light and everything. Our fridge is gonna go here. I don't know if I mentioned, but obviously you can guess these countertops are not standard. You got a choice of like a granite, which I'll show you in the bathrooms, because that would have been one of the standard granites in the upstairs bathrooms. So I'll show you what that would have been like. But we upgraded the countertops here to this quartz. So it's super pretty. Yeah, and then I'll show you really quick our backyard. So again, we just got the keys, so our backyard is not landscaped yet. You have to do that yourself. And obviously we live in the desert, so this is what you get. But I will say, our backyard is absolutely huge for Las Vegas. I know some of you might watch this and be like, that's tiny, but this backyard is very huge for Las Vegas. So much room. It's like the biggest lot that they had in this community. So we're gonna be able to put a pool back here. So we're gonna do a pool, maybe a trampoline in the future. We're gonna have a barbecue grill and everything out here. We already got it like wired for all of that and everything. So yeah, look out for some videos on that for when we go get it landscaped. Let me close that up here. And then let's head upstairs. All right, let's get some lights on. Okay, so now we're gonna head upstairs. So again, sorry if I forget to tell you if something is standard or not. For example, we did add extra lighting throughout the house. So it had good lighting already, but we did add some like extra lighting, so that would have been an upgrade. This staircase is an upgrade. It normally would come with just the pony wall, but we upgraded to this nice railing. And then we come up here to our very nice open space up here. So let's see, let's start off to the right hand side actually. So when you come up the stairs, some more lights on. Nope, there you go. Sorry, I'm still not used to the lights at all. So when you come up here, you've got our laundry room, gas hookups. So we have to go and buy a new washer and dryer. And then I'm gonna organize this really cute, probably do front loading, washer and dryer and everything. It's not a big space at all, but it'll do. And then there's just a little like linen closet right here. Really simple for like your towels and your blankets and stuff. It isn't standard to have your house painted, by the way. That is an additional cost. So we did pay extra to do this color on the walls, which this color is called Zircon if you're watching and you love it, which is like the bluey gray color. So it's really pretty. So here's the master bedroom. It is a great size room. It easily fits a king bed, and like in the model it does a king bed and a couch in front and everything. We did the double doors on the master bedroom too, which was an upgrade, but totally worth it. Now I will take you into our master bathroom. This is our first time like walking through the house since we got the keys too, so you guys are coming along with us and everything looks so pretty. So here's our master bathroom. I gotta say we did really great with this room. So we actually did the floor upgrade here. This was not standard. Standard would have been that same tile that was in the kitchen. So yeah, we did this pretty gray tile. Kind of looks like waves. Same cabinets from downstairs. And then we did the square sinks in here because you got to choose to have square or round sinks or undermounted or not undermounted. This mirror, the medicine cabinet are all standard. The rain glass, you could choose between rain glass or normal glass or whatever for your shower. That was standard, you get to choose. And then, yeah, here's our large shower. So this is one of the options, so we upgraded. It comes standard with a tub shower, like normal combo, just like a normal standard tub shower. Or you could upgrade to do a separate tub shower or to do a large shower like this. So this is what we went with. It's got a seat inside, so it'll be very nice. Can't wait to shower in here. And then right here is just a little water closet for the toilet in here. Nothing special about that. And then we come on over here into our master bedroom closet, which is a really good size. It's not like huge, but it's a great size. We're gonna get in here and play with the shelving to make it a little bit more practical, but it's got a good basis to start off with though. We could put shoes there and stuff, but we're gonna redesign this a little bit later. But yeah, it's got a great size and everything. Full length mirror we'll put in here. It'll be really nice. Okay. Now heading back out. So again, off the stairway. Oh, no. So off the stairway, coming in we have our loft area, which is pretty standard in Vegas. A lot of places do lofts. We don't have basements, but a lot of homes do have lofts. So we've got a nice loft. It's not huge, but it's good. We're gonna use it for a movie room. So we actually had a projector installation, or the projector package, which basically just has everything like pre-wired and stuff for you to easily put up a projector, which you're gonna put on this wall and everything. So that should be really nice for movies. We'll make sure to get some great blackout curtains and everything for that. And then here's a standard. So this house has 2 thermostats. You can control the temperature from both stories separately. So this one has a normal thermostat, not the smart thermostat, but yeah, you still control them both separately. So that's awesome. Okay, now we're coming in here to, this room, I forget. So we pre-wired our bedrooms for ceiling fans. So this room doesn't have lighting yet until we get the ceiling fans. So we'll be doing that. But yeah, this is our first bedroom, which is really nice, and it's got a good size. It's like a walk-in closet, but it's not a big one. This has a light in it, but yeah. So you can walk in here. It's just not, like super huge, but it's a great size for when we have kids. This will probably be our nursery. And then coming out, here you have bedroom number 2, which again doesn't have lighting yet because we need to put ceiling fans, but it's really nice. And then it's got the sliding doors. So this one isn't really a walk-in closet like the other one. It's a little bit smaller, but still nice. And then across from there is our second bathroom, which will be for kids and guests and everything. So again, we did lots of upgrades here, the same flooring, the same cabinets. Oh, this countertop was what I was mentioning is a standard countertop actually. So this is what you could have done for your kitchen and things if you hadn't done the upgrade. So this is what the standard, one of the standard options looks like. Mirror, medicine cabinet, standard tub and sink, and toilet and everything. Woo! We're almost done. And then lastly, this is the big bedroom. So we're gonna use this bedroom as a guest bedroom. It's got an actual walk-in closet in here, which is a great size. This is like the size of our previous master bedroom closet in our apartment before our house. So it's a great size for our guests. And yeah, that is the entire house, you guys. It has been such a journey, and we cannot wait to move in this weekend and to decorate and to give you guys more updates as we decorate and everything and have a housewarming party. And yeah, it's gonna be so much fun. We moved in right in time for my birthday. My birthday is like next weekend or something, so maybe we'll do a housewarming / birthday party. We'll see. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think of the house. If you want more information about house hunting or some recommendations for who to use in Las Vegas, let me know. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and talk to me down in the comments. Subscribe to our channel for more housing videos and videos around Las Vegas. And if you'd like to receive notifications for when I post a video, do not forget to hit that bell icon.